Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Fun Day, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. Our account balance is all the way up to, or down to, $8,100. This is one of the first times that our account has been negative overall. As you guys know, the stock market has started to come down recently, and our cover call ETF has really taken a hit since the last time we made a huge purchase. We purchased a whole bunch of QYLD when it was $23.48, and as you can tell, that was the most expensive out of all of our purchases. So that's really holding the stock, our average price, way up there. But overall, we're only technically down 5% on that investment, as we get dividends every month from that ETF. But as far as our deposits, we have gotten 1 cent in interest this year. But we fully funded our health savings account with our first paycheck of the year. And you may be wondering why that's fully funded, but I was fortunate enough to get a new job at a employer where they give you $1,700 to fund your health savings account. The only issue with the new employer is they have their own employer-sponsored one where they have a certain company you have to let the deposit go into. So I have $1,700 sitting in that account, and then I was able to, with my old job, fund this health savings account. So basically every year going forward, I'll be able to put about $1,950 into this account, and then my employer will put the other $1,700 in my other health savings account. So now I theoretically have 3 health savings accounts altogether. As far as dividends received for the month of May and April, we received $3.36 from Leggett & Platt, $9.28 from Franklin Resources, $29.07 from QYLD, and then we received $2.76 from Apple. And if you notice here, from this month in February to May, the number went up, and that's because Apple gave a dividend increase. So we were able to make 8 more cents because of the dividend increase that they gave. So that's one neat thing about dividend growth investing is every once in a while the company, usually once a year, will give an increase in the dividend amount, which will increase your dividend income. And if you look at this chart here, these have been becoming my favorite charts that I have, as it shows the dividend income amount for every month, year over year. So remember, this is Sunday Fun Day, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Finance Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Finance Growth Portfolio. Between all of the accounts, our accounts are up to $46,511 and have the possibility of generating almost $2,000 worth of income. We are trying to keep most of our money inside tax advantage accounts, which is represented by our health savings account and Roth IRA, which is all the white. And then our other quarter of our pie here is our traditional brokerage accounts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to, if you want to watch more investing videos, you can click the links on the screen or over in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.